Well guys, this wasn't gonna be a video. I actually just stopped at the farm to check third and final time for the car keys I lost here last time. No luck, they aren't here. Since I was here, I had my gun with me, and so far I put down 4 birds, so why not? Let's impromptu video. This wasn't gonna be a video here. It is now, I guess. Smoked it. The last shot you saw was me taking a shot freehand on a pigeon sitting on top of a giant light fixture. Really glad I got that. This is a lazy day too. I'm not ranging anything. I'm not dialing anything. I'm just getting into that sweet spot where I know my gun is gonna hit and just taking it. Just some good old instinct shooting. Well, I thought we had it. Yep, we do. We have another one on the light. So I'm gonna go take him out right now. Let's hope I don't miss. Well, I missed, but I did not hit the light. 2 days ago, we had a storm rip through here with 70 to 80 mile an hour wind gusts, and the roofing is all tore up in some places on the farm here. Crazy. It's a white pigeon. I want to smoke him. Got him. So there's that white pigeon I just shot. You see all these things are wicked attracted to it. What the heck? Where'd that bird come from? That's not mine. That's mine. There was a cat over there that ran off. It's a dove. Looks like a dove. What the hell? Oh, hold on, hold on. All right. Oh. Where'd the dove go? That's my bird. Now there was a dove just there, flopping around. What the hell? Was it playing dead? Thinking there's a predator around? Oh, what in the hell is going on? When I came around the bend, I saw a cat run off down that direction. I see my bird here. Okay, and there's a million more birds. But you saw in the scope camera, there was what looked like a dove flopping around. Like it was hit, dead. It's gone now. Was that thing just pretending? How like starlings or sandpipers or something, you know, they'll pretend to be injured to lure a predator away. Maybe that thing scared it. Oh, there's a dove right there. I have no idea. Pretty white bird. I can't really show the back of him because it's not so pretty and white, more like crimson and red. But M3 got it, clipped him right in the back of his head on, right there. Awesome, awesome shot. Let me get some wood behind something here. He's done. This is the mineral barn where they keep all their minerals. And here's that pigeon I just shot, and obviously the pigeons are gonna come in here and eat the most nutritious food on the farm. And this is probably the last place that the farmer wants them to be, because they all roost up in these eaves up here in the 2x4s and rafters, and then they poop all in them. And look, I can even see a baby pigeon on a nest right there. If you notice, that pigeon that I pointed out on the nest isn't looking too alive anymore. After I looked at him through the scope, I kind of realized it wasn't a baby. It looked more like an adult on eggs. Well, I don't think those eggs would be hatching now. And today I'm using my Impact M3 compact, Veldata scope, Donnie suppressor, oh, and the best of all, the Orion cam. And some tracer pellets. I think the wind blew it a bit. It definitely hit some feathers though, but I don't think it affected him. And behind me right there, you can see an entire section of the roof that was torn off in that giant thunderstorm and hurricane force winds we had along with it too. So that just ripped this tin right off this roof. Crazy, crazy. Luckily, I didn't have any damage at my house, and my area never lost power. Some people lost power for over a day. Oh, almost. Ah, this wind is ripping. Well, that's dead. Oh, missed him. Should have zoomed in a little bit more. Need a little follow-up on this guy if he stops. Alright, that slowed him. There we go. There's that bird I just shot there that was next to his friend up on the rafters. That is not pleasant. It really doesn't stink right now though. Yeah, so there's a strong wind and I don't smell any bad smell at all right now, believe it or not. Even with the big pit right next to me. Well guys, I have one shot left and I gotta get rid of it. Let's make a splash. Gross. I found some pigeons in the barn and I was getting a little irritated because I've got my Impact and I'm like, man, I'll just be blasting holes through the tin. Then I remembered, here we go, Crossman 2100, let's do this. 7 should do it. Pellets are up front. Now, I don't know how I'm gonna film and shoot at the same time, and the pigeon just flew away anyway, so I guess it really doesn't matter. Okay, we've got a group of 3 pigeons. Got him, he's going down. He's going down. Where'd he go down? I don't even know what I was running in there. It was just so squishy under my feet. Where did it go down? His legs were hanging. He had to have dropped over here. Come on! Where's my pigeon? Man. Hit him, his legs were hanging. He came around this corner. I was running after him. I lost sight of him though. You can see I was booking it. It got squishy right there. I was like, man, don't slip, don't slip. Okay, ever since I moved my decoys away, the pigeons have been coming back now, so they were more like scarecrows than decoys, but yeah, I see a bunch in here now. All right, come on, one-handed. Oh, come on, don't fly, don't fly. Okay, there's still a lot in here. Right? Don't, oh, damn it, damn it. Come on, still some in here. Still some in here, still some in here. I see one, I see one. It moved, but it's still in here. Missed. The good news is this isn't even coming close to piercing the tin, so I guess that's a win. Alright, we're good to go. Okay, I got 2 pigeons in front of me. They look awful jumpy. And guys, I think I'm gonna call it a day. Like I say, I was really just here looking for my keys, which I did not find, but I did have a good time shooting some birds, got an awesome white one in the end. Shot 2 with the Crossman 2100, but wasn't able to retrieve either one of them. I will be back. They're actually coming back into land right here in this shed right behind me there. But hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment, like, subscribe. Bye. Some remnants of how strong that storm was that came through here. Took this tree right down.